We are starting with some breaking news. Another senseless night of gun violence in the city of brotherly love. Philadelphia police are investigating two separate quadruple shootings, both of them involving children. The youngest victim is a boy who's only 2 years old. Now, the most recent one happened in North Philadelphia, and right now 4 teens are in critical condition. Their ages 13 to 16. Let's go over to Action News reporter Corey Davis, who's live at police headquarters with the breaking details. Good morning, Corey.
Tam, good morning. Those teens, 13, 14, 15, and 16 years old, all were being told suffering from some serious gunshot wounds that could leave them with lasting injuries for a long time. Take a look there at the scene. We're being told by police that those 4 teenagers were shot just before 2 o'clock this morning at North 7th and Wallace Streets in the Spring Garden Homes community. Police found the victims in the courtyard area. 2 boys, 2 girls. Investigators say the girls were shot in the face, one of them seriously wounded. The boys were shot in their arms and legs. We are being told that all of those victims are in critical condition this morning. When it comes to why those teens were out past the 10 p.m. citywide curfew for kids under 18, police say they were standing outside of one of the units where 2 of them lived.
They were just a few feet from the front door on the courtyard, right in front of the house where 2 of the victims lived. The other 2, we believe, were just visiting their friends when someone fired these 21 shots in the direction of these teenagers, striking all 4 of these teenagers.
And investigators say they also found a revolver at the scene. They aren't sure exactly how that's possibly connected to this shooting. But in the meantime, those 4 teens were being told they are in critical condition, but all of them are expected to survive. Reporting live at police headquarters, Corey Davis, Channel 6 Action News.